Okay, I have Junior here. She's gonna do her command. She's got the ball. So Dale, if you can hear him right next to me in his spot. He's not liking this because he knows what's going on. But I'm gonna explain how one command ended up being two commands. This is the Growl Junior command that I did to try to get Junior to growl. So I don't know if it'll work, but I get the ball and I get Junior to protect it, and then I bring Dale in. Dale, come over here. Dale, come sit down. All right, growl, Junior. No, don't eat the treats, Dale. They're still sitting out here. Junior, growl. You see how Dale barks on when I do that? Growl, Junior. So if I need Dale to bark, I'll just say growl, Junior. Growl, Junior. Growl, Junior. Growl, Junior. Growl, Junior. Growl, Junior. Junior, growl. I don't know if she's growling. Growl, Junior. Growl, Junior. Junior, growl. Junior, growl. Growl, Junior. Growl, Junior, growl. Growl, Junior. Junior, growl. Growl, Junior, growl, Junior. Growl, Junior. Growl, Junior. Alright, growl, Junior. Growl, Junior. Growl, Junior. Junior, growl. Growl, Junior. Growl, Junior. She's more interested in the treats. But normally she'll growl. Growl, Junior, growl. Growl, Junior, here. Growl, growl, Junior, growl. Growl, growl. Growl, Junior, growl. Growl, Junior. Growl, Junior, growl. Growl, Junior. Growl, Junior. Growl, Junior. Come on, Junior, growl. Growl, Junior. Growl, Junior. Growl, Junior. Come on, Junior. Growl, Junior. Growl, Junior. Come on, Junior. Growl, Junior. I'll be careful. Growl, Junior. Growl, Junior. Alright, so I always make sure that Junior doesn't get too excited. Alright, good job, Junior. Good job, Junior. Oh, stop it. And then I give Dale a treat. Dale, get up. Here, Dale. Dale. Good job. Good growl, Junior. Alright. Oops. Thanks, guys.